Hi, good day. My name is Bernard Truter. Welcome to the GSW Mimaki stand for the 2021 year show. I would like to introduce you some various machines which we've just launched into South Africa. It's called the Mimaki 100 range. One of them, the first one which is currently available, is the TS100, which is the baby of the dye sublimation range, which is quite unbelievable on this machine. It's currently been seen as one of the lowest operating per square meter cost machines currently in the world of dye sublimation. To give you an idea, this machine runs at an average of about 70 square meters per hour. It runs this was done on a 2-pass, and if you look at it, if you put it through to the heat press, it gives you this absolutely unbelievable colors. So Mimaki is world renowned to look at the qualities and the durabilities of the dye sublimation range itself. Then another range which we've just launched and which we're actually world famous for is currently the Mimaki UJV UV range of machines. We launched the UJV 100-160 onto that itself, and then the Rolls Royce of this range of 1.6 meter machines. It's a 1.6 meter machine which can print up to 9 layers. If you take this machine into account, this machine is unique in the sense that it runs on two heads, and you're running with 1 liter inks with a stretchability up to 210%. If you take into account with this specific machine, if you print, it's immediately dry, it's UV friendly, it gives you your drying time, and your exposure out to the sun is basically double the period of what normal solvent ink is without laminations. If you take further into account that this machine is running on 2 heads and it's competitive with the bulk of the solvent range of machines which is currently available in the world on running cost itself, then this is on your SG range of machines. Then what we currently have available is the baby of our flatbeds, 2.5 by 1.3, unbelievable quality. If you look at it, that's probably one of the fastest flatbeds which is currently available in the world in this specific price class. We're running these at huge promotions into the South African market. If you look at the quality, up to 19 layers, which is currently available on this specific machine, so it is a real game changer in the world itself. This is, like I said, this is the absolute baby. It's a 2.5 by 1.3 meter bed, but we can supply you up to a 2.5 by 3.1 meter bed, which can manufacture up to 60 square meters per hour itself. Then if you take into account, you can basically print onto any flat substrate, which is actually up to your requirements itself. We believe this will be, and it is currently, a game changer in South Africa itself. Then what we've launched at the moment, because of huge demand, which we currently have at the show as well, is called the Rolls Roller. One disadvantage of it, and it will be a huge advantage to the customers itself, is you're looking at a lifespan of these machines of at least 20 years. So if you take into account what you currently have on these machines itself is virtually maintenance free, and they absolutely last forever. So this was brought in due to high demand which we found into the South African and African market, and we're very fortunate to actually can actually buy these machines now locally from us. Then our traditional stalwarts, which we are being seen as market leaders so far in the African market for the past 6 months, and which we're very fortunate and very proud of, and that's our traditional solvent range of machines. This is the new JV 100-160B. So if you take this into account, dual heads machine, your operating per square meter up to 63 square meters per hour. Your current ink it's a combination of the traditional your cartridge system or your bulk feed system, where you actually buy them in 1 liters. And what's nice about these machines as well is you're looking at your cost, which is up to 40% cheaper than your traditional cartridges, which is currently available. Then you're looking at your CJV 150, 160, which is our extremely popular old stalwart, if you can call it like that, with your cassette systems, which is currently available in the marketplace itself with CMYK. So as you know, you cannot actually, in Mimaki, we are being renowned for very good quality, unbelievable service from GSW, and we would really appreciate your support which you actually gave us here at the show itself, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future. If you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.